with a grin on my face, I make it so wicked. This nigga here is here to bust lyrics. I'll never stop at the top of the ladder, just like the wolf, but I'm bigger and I'm badder. The bottom line is I'm one of a kind. It's a bad combination when mixed with third mind. The type that goes to your head real quick, till you start to realize we're nothing to mess with. We rolled through your blocks and we came out tops. Our rings had big rocks when you couldn't afford socks. Not to mention our position with the women. If this was a game, then we would be winning. They asked me to come with them to have fun. I'm fine 9 in the line, but I'm looking for just one. One last point before I get finished. It doesn't take much to make you diminish. Today's your last day to have something to say, so take your last piece like it's your birthday.
Get down on your knees and get to praying, cause it's the third time we're telling you we're staying. You better mind every single word we're saying. My nigga, I don't know what kind of game you're playing. Get down on your knees and get to praying, cause it's the third time we're telling you we're staying. You better mind every single word we're saying. My nigga, I don't know what kind of game you're playing.
From my town to your town, Broncos taking over. For the third time, my third rhyme for third mind. Got niggas planning to retire. The rules have changed, but the game remains the same. Again and again they plot against me. Behind closed doors they attacking me. It's cool, my mind was designed to keep this world spinning. Keep me top billing, 100 bullets, no shillings. I'm done stealing. For these days, niggas get paid the right way. High notes on Friday, Henny on ice, that's why I put up a smile. Yeah, parties at the spot tonight, you know who's having fun tonight. With a couple of summer bunnies from the other night. It goes on and on and on till the break of dawn. Nobody wants to leave until 6 in the morning. Still we yawning. It's on then. Third man and KB just issued the warning.
Get down on your knees and get to praying, cause it's the third time we're telling you we're staying. You better mind every single word we're saying. My nigga, I don't know what kind of game you're playing. Get down on your knees and get to praying, cause it's the third time we're telling you we're staying. You better mind every single word we're saying. My nigga, I don't know what kind of game you're playing.
Who's that coming through? He must be top dog. He must be number one. He must be press B. He dropped the fat beat. He must be Ramco. The boy be loco. He knows Groove Gal. They know KB. He dips with Bumpy, Johnson and Double T. It must be third mind. Some things will never change. Them boys on another page. They must know Nicky Cage. They look like movie stars. They talk like pioneers. They walk like they don't care. They must be legends. Hopola legends. They lace the club up. You see them, show them love. Lot eating, lot of data to take your shorty home.
Get down on your knees and get to praying, cause it's the third time we're telling you we're staying. You better mind every single word we're saying. My nigga, I don't know what